Hi, my name is Piper Mobbs.
And my name is Amarius and
We are two of the awesome middle school students in Cabot.
And we're so excited to get back to school.
The principals at Middle School South are Casey Hanna, Amy Morrow, and Hannah Sullivan.
The principals at Middle School North are Dawn Peoples, Terry Duncan, and Casey Hill.
Middle school is an amazing 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome school activities such as Space Camp, Rockin' at the Hop, Track and Field, and so much more.
Postcards will be sent home early August with your team's assignments.
Open house for 5th graders will be August 7th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. for teams 5-1, 5-2, and 5-3, and 6 to 7:30 p.m. for teams 5-4, 5-5, and 5-6.
Open house for 6th graders will be August 9th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. for teams 6-1, 6-2, and 6-3, and 6 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. for teams 6-4 and 6-5.
This will be a great opportunity for parents to come and learn more about middle school, their child's teachers, and other important information.
During open house, parents can put money in your student's account to pay for breakfast and lunch, or you can do it online. Just look for Easy School Pay on each school's website.
Also, during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals, or you can apply online or by going to the district's website.
Each student will be asked to pay a one-time supply fee of $25. It can be paid at open house or online. Just click on the online payment store link on your school's website. It can be found on the district website under Resources for Parents.
In addition to the supply fee, students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle if desired.
And please remember, if your student currently owes any fines, such as library or lunch charges, these can be taken care of during open house in your school's office.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must register them online.
Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For call information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
We look forward to a great school year. We are so lucky to attend Cabot Public Schools, the best schools anywhere.
We just know that this is going to be a wonderful school year. See you soon!